You know, I've noticed there's lots of different kinds of pine cones. And look how beautiful this one is. Of course, almost everything in nature is beautiful to me. Lucky me. Look what my little eye spies. If you know me at all, you know that a few sticker bushes won't stop me probably. Oh, I wish it would. Oh man, do I need to do this? Ouch. 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 Ow. Ow. Ah. It's not that awesome. Retreat, retreat. Blackberry bushes and holly. Too much for me. Oh my god. Fresh molehills. I'm going to leave so you're not scared anymore. You guys like hollies. And I know this because I get a lot of views whenever I post holly. So here we go. Holly, holly.